What's going on, everyone? What's going on, guys?
Yo.
Yo. How we doing? How we doing?
Doing pretty well.
What do you think today?
I would love a drop lower and then go higher.
Yes.
I think it's pretty obvious here. If I go to the 4-hour chart, because we know the daily's gravitating towards that previous week high. Same with ES, especially after yesterday's close. That's a pretty bullish close. I think you gotta you want to touch the 4-hour gap, right? I mean,
Yeah, you
ideally.
took the words out of my mouth.
Um,
It's the only thing that makes sense.
yeah. This low. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna mark off 4-hour gap. Are you watching the one from 10 a.m. yesterday, or the one from 6 a.m.? Just kind of both.
Yeah, I have both marked off.
No.
Just both of those, like literally just any sort of any 4-hour gap would just be
Mm-hmm.
great.
If I look at the 1 hour, however, I think I'd like to see. Dang. Whoops. I'd like to see Asia taken, right? I mean, ideally.
Yeah,
Looks like
Asia at
we.
a bare minimum. Speaking of Asia, I'm gonna set my alerts at Asia lows too. We did run that on ES, but
Mm-hmm.
I would love just a deeper another dig on NQ. That would be just awesome.
Yeah, I'm gonna mark off those relative equal lows from 1500 yesterday, 3 o'clock.
Yeah. The only thing that we just gotta hope for and pray is that we don't have a Hulk bar at equities open.
Yeah.
But I mean, if we do, because the Dow Jones has already ran those lows that we're looking at, then we look for a 15-minute continuation play.
Mm-hmm.
So we got two options, and then the same thing, I guess. I mean, I don't know if you're watching RTY, it's the same sort of setup, and RTY has like smooth relative equal highs on the 4-hour time frame. If
Yeah.
price just expands from here because of the SMT, then I'll look for a 15 a 15-minute continuation play on a gap.
Yeah, I don't. ES looks not very good, so I'm gonna mark off the 4 o'clock handle from yesterday PM, 1600. I want to see that get tapped into. Same with NQ. Um, but it's just a lot of low resistance liquidity below us. That's like
Oh yeah.
it looks pretty good. It looks a lot like last week's setup, honestly. You remember that?
hmm Yeah.
Uh,
If we can get a clean V shape
we got relative equal
from
highs above
these,
us. Like this is kind of easy here. Let's check out news real quick. Um,
it's it's gonna say tentative because of the government shutdown.
yeah, but
But I mean
last
the time is there.
yeah.
So 10 o'clock will probably still do something.
Mm, yeah.
Boom, boom,
I have my
boom.
alert set. That's about it, really. There's not really much I can do from there. Um, got 5 more minutes to the market open. Um,
Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, pretty simple plan for the day. It's just a matter of
Do you see
if
yourself
price
taking a
wants to
short
go.
today? I can't see myself taking a short at all.
I mean, unless people are wanting to short down into the 4 hour gap, but I'm not doing that.
Yeah, me either. Mm, let's see here. Let's see. Choose. Yeah, I would love us to take these lows out from yesterday. Um, let's see price. Kind of what I'm watching here, guys. Move lower to then go higher. This is my draw. We got a lot of. It's not just this. We have so many relative equal highs above us from last week's price action. So anything in here to then go higher.
4 hour gaps.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. But the bots on Twitter have been crazy lately, bro. Have you noticed that?
Bots on Twitter.
Yeah, like in your replies.
I haven't really seen any, if I'm being honest with you. That happened to me a while ago, but I don't know what happened.
Honestly, rarely go on Twitter these days.
Let's see here. Which trade copy are you using? I'm using Tradecopia. It's like the best, I think. It's like local base. You don't have that. It's not like cloud based, so you can do it on your computer. You can't do it on the phone though. That's the only thing. Unless you have it pulled up on your desktop, you can't do it on your phone. What's up? I have a feeling. I'm talking to the trading gods right now, and they're telling me we're gonna get an A plus setup. Um, 2 more minutes to open. Also, 4 hour breaker, 1 hour breaker down here as well. Price could. There's just so many like bullish areas for price to bounce off of. And plus, I saw
You know,
someone I follow on Twitter who's like not very big following that they were like, market's about to nuke down today. I'm like, oh yeah, full port longs.
sometimes when price is like so blatantly obvious that we want to go higher, but then it like fails to give entry. I hope that's not going to be the case today
Yeah,
where we fail to manipulate. But if we fail to manipulate, I will catch the continuation one way or another.
yeah. Except if it rips up from here, though, right?
I mean, if it rips up from here, that's when I'm going to do the 15-minute gap play.
Yeah, yeah, I mean too. You hear about NFP being canceled?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Well, yeah. Remember that? Remember, like 3 months ago? That was the worst price action ever, by the way.
Yeah, I hope NFP doesn't get it's off forexfactory.com already.
Yeah, it's already off Forex Factor. Yeah,
Fuck.
I know.
Wow. I didn't even realize that. Shit. And
Mm-hmm.
unemployment claims is tentative. I didn't look closely enough into that.
Remember how bad that price action was with no
It was the
news at all?
worst.
I told myself
Why
I'm
did they
not
do the
entering.
government shutdown again? Does anybody know? Like
Well,
why?
whenever it got resolved, quote unquote, it didn't really get resolved. They just kicked the can down the road. So this was kind of like the time that they were looking at here. Like this is when it would pop back up again. It's expected to be a lot shorter, like a week or two at the most. So they were talking about it being ending by the end of this week. So that would be pretty nice.
I hope so. Here's the open. RTY is kind of giving this push aggressive right now. I'm going to be paying attention to this. If this doesn't manipulate, then I'll watch 15-minute gaps.
Lions in the same.
Same thing with the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is kind of turning as well.
Yeah. You could mark off the sell side from low of day at 6 a.m. if you wanted to. Like if price reacts pretty heavily from there with some good displacement. We haven't ran it yet, but like that's like that's like the earliest I can engage. Like if we run like the 6 a.m. candle on ES and then the 2100 candle on NQ, if we run one or both of those levels with good displacement
Holy
to the
shit.
upside,
Yeah.
that's the earliest I can get in. But I would prefer it
Wow.
to come down here to 25,820.
YM just fucking nutted.
Shit.
Damn it. I was going to say if YM creates a 15-minute breaker, I'm going to long it, but this thing just absolutely fucking.
Yeah.
This looks like Shiba Inu when it got announced.
That's even quicker than yesterday.
This is so like, God, like what?
As soon as Bitcoin hits 73.6, I'm gonna start loading up, bro.
Holy shit, dude. I'm going to have to readjust my screen. This thing just did a bag.
Alright, NQ's dropping. NQ just went on the sell side.
Nice, yeah, it's Asian low.
Oh my God, dude. That's nut. All right. Well, YM and the Dow Jones are doing polar opposites.
What's up, guys? Thanks for joining the stream. Got Matt and Kieran on here with me. CPI next week, though. It depends on CPI. I think when the last time we had a government shutdown, it was what was it? They had to have it for I think Social Security or something. They needed the numbers for Social Security, so they people had to go into work to release the numbers, if I remember correctly.
You're right. You're right.
It's quite bad for the heat, so I remember.
Previous week high. Yes, correct. Previous week high is up there with a flat body high from November. Yeah, that's something we're watching. I think the only way we don't take a trade is if price just keeps on dying from here. I if it like disrespects the 4 hour gap below us and stuff like that.
Yeah. So since NQ is the one manipulating, this will be the focus of what I'm going to look at for the day. Since the Dow Jones has already popped and did this move here from that 4 hour, I would love to see this style from NQ, and I like how we're gravitating lower.
Is your 4 hour? Is your YM on the far right?
Yes, far right on YM, ES in the middle, NQ left.
You got 15 EVA. When would be a good time to pass the accounts? Wait until NFP if the government doesn't release anything, we'll have a stream. If not, just wait for CPI next week. CPI is actually your best bet anyways, so like don't worry about it too much. I think it's like a 95% pass rate with like a 50K apex with a 30-point pad, so like should be good.
All right, this is looking good to me because we are about to tap this 4-hour gap.
Yeah, we need that. We need that to happen.
Come on down. Come on down. Come on down.
Bro, I love rage baiting people, bro.
Hmm.
Pure Colombian. All good, David. Are you gonna stream
If we
CPI?
get,
Yeah, we'll stream CPI. We'll stream CPI. Yeah, Dow Jones is popping off. Matt said.
well, if we get that 4-hour gap tag on NQ, then we'll still have SMT with the S&P 500. We could even pop from here, and I would still long it.
Yeah, me too. I agree. I would prefer us to move lower. The lower, I feel like the lower we go, the
The better.
greater chance. The faster we go lower, I feel like the better, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
if we slowly, like
Agreed.
hourly, like slowly displace lower on like the hourly, it's gonna create some fair value gaps down there, and it makes it harder for us to long back to the upside. It's gonna create a lot of high resistance conditions. Yeah, CPI is a great time to pass accounts. CPI and NFP are the best. Honestly, bro, like do like tech earnings, like a Google or Apple. Like just buy or sell right at 410 or 412, and then just hold it. I mean, last week was crazy.
Jasmine, are you short on NQ down to the 4-hour gap?
Pretty good short.
Holy bless on your stop loss, brother.
Let's
Dang,
see.
Oh my God.
that's crazy.
That is a blessing right there. Jasmine, you're fucking killing it. I love it. Yep, those opening shorts were exactly what we wanted. Good shit, guys. Way to be aggressive.
All right, we're moving lower here. Want to see displacement once we run this low on ES and Q. I would even mind like an SMT at this level, but we've been wanting this 4-hour gap tag, so like now that it gives it to us, like we can't hate on it. Maybe an SMT inside the 4-hour gap would be like ideal.
Mm-mm-mm. All right. Couple points away, and we're going to get that PDRA. Snow, keep that fucking ball rolling. That's fire. All right, 4-hour gap tag, beauty.
Nice.
Now let's see how we react from here.
Yeah, we want to see a quick reaction. We don't want price to hang around this level too long. Was there good confluence from the death candle? That was honestly kind of what we were expecting, like price to come lower.
Very nice. Very nice. Now let's say if we bounce from here aggressively, I went down to the 5-minute and there's a 5-minute bearish gap here that I would want inversed and then I would long. But if we don't pop from here aggressively, then we can easily go down to the lower 4-hour gap at 25,733. So it's
Currently,
either we dig deeper to this point in price, to the lower 4-hour gap. If not, then I'll be watching this 5-minute gap for a move like bop, 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 bop.
I want to see
SMT
that last
currently.
M15 low taken as well.
What do you say, Kieran?
But I want to see that last M15 low run on NQ because that'd be a nice point to have some SMT within the 4-hour gap.
Oh, yeah, 25,803.
If I were to guess, we're gonna get a way better setup on NQ.
100%.
I would like for it to dig a little lower, but put in like a IFEG lower rather than because if we try long up here, we're basically long right at 930. But I'll do that if we get some solid displacement. I'm gonna watch on the M15 now.
How do I feel about Top Step opening a broker? I don't like them. I don't trust a platform that consistently doesn't work. YM is on crack.
Yeah.
It's just speeding to 49,901.
5-man on ES. Don't even bother looking at it.
Bottom step, down step, wrong step, all the bad steps.
You forgot one.
Juice step.
That's my favorite.
That swing we called yesterday, Matt and RTY, was solid.
Oh, I know. Like literally fucking perfect.
No drawdown.
All the way down from here. And it would have been a bottom tick. But this 4-hour on YM was just crazy.
There was literally no entry whatsoever.
Nothing.
If we catch a banger here on stream, I will do a fat giveaway. Maybe Matt can match me. But actually, no. What we'll do? What I do one on Matt. If we catch a fat trade today, I'll do one today. Matt will do one tomorrow. Because Matt's going.
No, I have to do one tomorrow. I have to do one tomorrow.
Matt, do you watch any premium discount levels, or in cases like today, only drop into a gap for continuation plays?
I don't care about premium and discount. I just care about SMT within fair value gaps.
You heard? I'm kind of the same way too. Like premium discount, like price isn't just gonna bounce from like 50% of a level. I feel like.
If you wait for premium and discount, you're gonna miss more trades. Yeah. That's just simple as that.
Yeah. Like literally.
If we reverse from here, you're in a high premium, right? And we go higher, but like if you trade premium discount, there's no way you could ever caught that trade because like you're too high on a premium. What I think about gold, it needs to show me a little bit more, honestly. I'm kind of. This is what I don't like to see on the higher time frames, and this is what will give you a lot of bad trading or low probability conditions on the lower time frames. If you look at the daily, it's bouncing between a bullish level and a bearish level, and there's also a new week opening gap in here. So if you go to the hourly now, even like the 15-minute, it's actually not doing too bad.
We're about to get that lower end 4-hour gap here.
Okay.
On NQ, just got that tag.
Basically, to sum it up, bro, whenever you get daily levels in here, bullish and bearish, price, it's going to be like two magnets, right? So this is probably the start of some low probability conditions on gold, if I were to guess.
All right, so now we have an SMT at the lower end fair value gap. We just got the tag of the 4-hour gap on the S&P 500. Mm-hmm. Obviously, NASDAQ is the weaker pair. This could be an idea of us waiting for 10 o'clock for the new 4-hour 10 a.m. open and seeing if we could frame the open low, high, close. But it'll just be a determination for the willingness as to how this next 15-minute candle comes about, or even the 5-minute. If we start inversing or violating bearish PD rays, we have this massive manipulation leg.
This is exactly what we wanted so far, so we just Need a couple more steps in order to take a trade, then we're golden.
Let's see, 76.
Do you only trade one trade per day? Usually, yes. Usually, I feel like the more trades you take, I think Matt can attest this as well. Like your decision making is gonna be off, right? It's just like basketball player, right? Shooting hoops, like the more shots you take, probably aren't gonna be the best. Why don't you both
My
have
limit
camera in
is-
here? We'll try to figure out, see if we can get both cameras in here. That'd be kind of cool. We have to do it.
Why
on
is
StreamYard.
this so different? Wait, is your MNQ bugging?
My MNQ?
Yeah, someone said their MNQ looks a lot different than what this looks like here.
Yeah, so actually, the 4-hour 10 a.m. low was hit on NQ, but not on MNQ. So it's actually in the 4-hour gap almost. Yeah, it's in the 4-hour gap on
Brother.
MNQ. On NQ, I mean. I don't know.
Did you really just say I need a course on this?
Bro.
I traded Asia $20 away from book. Oh my god.
And basically what we're looking for back to the upside, now we know where prices most likely to draw to on the hourly chart. And the main reason why we're looking at higher prices, got relative equal highs right here, equal highs up here, and then obviously previous weekly high. And then we have a lot of displacement below us, so this is an active support to go higher. So we just need price to reverse from here, and then we'll see if we can catch a trade. Doesn't matter how you get there, right? Matt uses Forever Model. I use breakers, IFEGs. It's just a vehicle.
Oh.
Matt uses EMAs sometimes.
The moving average crossovers. What I want to see is the Dow Jones slow down so that we can get some pickup speed on NQ.
Yeah, I'll check you.
15-minute gap continuation on YM. I mean, if you get it. Because then you could definitely take that on YM. And the same thing with RTY.
What's ES looking like?
It's kind of the same sort of deal.
Relative equals.
Yeah.
Hourly on YM, that's a pretty solid draw as well.
It's going to be like if price even offers the 15-minute gap. And then you would get a 4-hour 10 a.m. open low high close. Trading into the 15-minute fair value gap on YM. And I think that RTY is like literally just completely busting.
Average trades you taking Matt is probably between 2 and 4 per week, and I'm probably about the same, honestly. Like we both do commentary on here in Discord, and that's kind of.
I took 2 last week, but like 4 being the max.
Yeah, I took 2 last week too. But I mean, we'll spend probably 90% of the week watching the hourly chart, I guess you could say. There's a massive SMT on the 4-hour with the ES and NQ inside that hourly gap.
Yeah, we're getting a pretty decent pop on ES. I just don't like how ES has like this has more wicks in this manipulation. Like there's no
it
like
looks kind of ugly.
IFPGs that I could use.
I think majority of people here could benefit from just taking 1 to 2 trades a day. Your decision making, your brain's just gonna be mush by the time you take like 10 trades. Like you're just gonna be all over the place because you're flipping biases. You're just gonna be thinking longer. I don't want to be stressed while I'm in the trade.
Yeah,
I think it's almost impossible to find more than 2 like quality setups.
Yeah, like especially if you're watching the 5 minute, the 15. Like how are you gonna if you're trading 2 hours a day watching the 5 minute, the 15-minute chart? How are you gonna be able to find like 10 setups within a 2 hour period? I can't.
No, those are the people that trade the 30-second and then anything below the 5.
Yeah, IFEG traders pressing the buy button right now. Yeah, I mean
Probably.
probably. Yeah.
Okay, right now. From this 1 minute.
Mm, correct. Yeah. Good. Exactly. D Howie. Actually, Matt, you know what I'd
Uh,
like to see? I'd like to see us like consolidate right here for the next 10 minutes, and then 10 a.m. open low, high close.
yeah, like run the low one more time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. I would love another like sweep of a short-term low and then go higher.
These highs are just too clean not to get right in. It's just a matter of how can we get there.
That'd be fire.
How do you feel about the 1 minute breaker on ES? I mean, Matt said the 5 minute ES looks like crap. So if the 5 minute looks like crap, ES 1 minute probably looks
I
better.
just don't like when ES looks like this. Like the how it's like so wicked with
Yeah.
no imbalances. That's the one thing that I don't like.
Yeah.
I would like at least a 5 minute bearish gap in the manipulation like down for it to be violated, closed off, create the IFEG, and then price will show its willingness to go
Yeah.
in our anticipated direction.
Yeah, I agree. We don't. I don't like
We're
these
so
wicks
close
up
to
here
10
either.
o'clock now.
But this is potentially setting up pretty nice for long though, because it's not gonna be a whole lot of high resistance for us to cut through. You seen YM? Yeah, it's like a rocket. Yeah. So Matt said. I don't watch it, but I usually just look at his chart when he's streaming. I sometimes feel the urge taking more trades in a week, like one every day or something like that, because people. Because I'm not looking at the 1 minute or 2 minute IFEG on ES right now. I'm sorry, guys.
You know, M1 IFBG trade is about to get stopped anyway.
IFEG or breaker. I'll take the 1 minute if the 5 minute is just moving way too quickly. Like if we start, like go look at last week's trade. You can check out my Twitter or Matt's Twitter or his YouTube or my YouTube. That trade happened so freaking quick. Like you had to be quick. Like you'll know when to use the 1 minute. I'm telling you, you will know when to use the 1 minute when that thing is just rocketing. Yeah, yesterday's YM was crack.
Ryan was actually clean yesterday.
Oh yeah, it was.
130 people in here. Y'all like the stream, subscribe. We catch a banger trade here to these highs, we will 100% do a fat giveaway. So make sure you like the stream. I sometimes feel the urge of taking more trades in a week, like one every day or something like that, because of people taking more. How to avoid this emotion? You're probably not gonna be able to avoid it. The only thing you can really do is just kind of like just stick to your setup. I feel it all the time. Is my point, especially yesterday when we were anticipating price go higher. Like that sucks, but you just kind of get over it.
NQ. I mean, NQ needs some speed. I mean,
Yeah.
we are literally 7 minutes until 10 o'clock. We could easily get something like this. Like, we consolidate here, and then 10 o'clock comes in, boom, another
Yeah.
manipulation leg, boom, breaker formation, IFEG, long.
Yeah. I would love for this candle here, this 5 minute to close where it's at, and then run out that 940 low. That'd be so dope.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think a situation like this, that's our trigger.
Yeah, I think so too. I have that same thing marked off.
Yeah, that would be a trigger.
My January trade total was 19. Is this fine? Yeah, I mean that sounds fine. I mean I don't. That's like one less than one trade a day because there's 22 trade days in a month. So you took one trade a day just about.
I like this move lower again. It's good. This is good.
Very good.
Just getting early longs out.
What pointer would you give someone having a hard time following his edge? Uh, well, if you don't have
It's
an
self,
edge, you ain't got nothing. So you better find it.
I think it's a
If you
self problem.
if you're just gambling at that point.
It's an ignorance,
All right,
a
bam.
lack of.
Okay, we ran that low. This is perfect here. Now we just need to see displacement higher. This could potentially be a breaker at 9:45. That candle, however you want to see it, order block, whatever.
Jasmine, did you full TP the shorts?
Yeah, she hit max profit for the day.
Oh, she did. Oh, she's Cass.
Cooking.
Jasmine, I want to see that payout slip. I want to see those payout slips. DM me. I know your ass is printing too.
You and Matt need to set up where my phone we both show your charts. I mean, he's live on Discord right now, and they're usually opposite. Like if he's on YouTube, I'm on Discord, vice versa. So that's kind of how it works.
Yeah, she's. Brr.
I mean, his charts. I'm literally looking at his chart right now. He marked off the same draw, and I marked off. Like it's like it's the same.
Same shit.
Yeah, new 1 hour fair value got tagged. So we're inside this 4 hour gap. We're about to hit the new week opening gap again. We're in the gap on ES. There's an SMT at these lows. So all we need now is just displacement higher.
I'm marking off, guys. We have 3 minutes and 30 seconds until the open of 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
I'm going to watch that 15-minute gap on YM, see if that can actually be of value. Because if we don't get this, if we don't get a 15-minute gap on YM and this like 9:30 candle from this 15-minute, if we inverse or we trade lower, this is manipulation, and then price is going to target something below us because we're getting a hefty drop on NQ and ES here. But I'm ready.
I need to have Twitter pulled up just in case some crazy stuff happens about a government shutdown.
True. We are falling. That daily candle does not look too hot.
Oh, we had 10 a.m. news on the calendar today. It took it off.
Yeah.
Is there a free
Government
Discord I can
shutdown.
join? Yeah, it's in the description. You can just click there's a free Discord. I'm getting a lot of alerts going off right now.
CE of the 4 hour gap. Coming back actually down in a new week opening gap too. Don't you ever know you scam me, baby.
We just keep dropping lower. And honestly, too, if you look at the 15-minute, like, where are you going to short from? Like, no obvious high was taken anyways, so we're just waiting for that displacement higher. Hopefully at 10 a.m. we can get some good pop. I'm gonna keep my ICT tweeting about new week opening gap. Yeah, I mean that was something I had marked off, like this high here, new week opening gap, because it's inside the 4 hour gap, so price could look to retest it. But I think this 4 hour candle low from yesterday at 6 a.m. is at 395 is protected.
Dun, 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 dun. All right, 10 o'clock.
10 a.m.
I'm watching
baby.
this 15-minute gap on YM. Oh, wow. Look at RTY just confirmed an order block. That's a horrible hourly candle closure, actually.
It's called FSNM,
Dude,
I think.
low
Like,
key, RTY could short down to Asia lows.
Yeah.
Like right
Yeah.
now.
Agreed. That's the same thing.
and also too, we need to see massive displacement.
Just got a 15-minute gap tag on YM.
I hear no. Nice little parlay last night, Matt.
Fire. Basketball?
Yeah, playing a lot of basketball plays lately.
Tough.
Well, I've been taking a lot of unders on
I
player
saw
props.
that.
Yeah.
Holy Eiffel Tower.
Wow, you think someone thinks this 4 hour is going to inverse and go lower? I mean, we'll see.
I mean,
See-
the daily's looking pretty concerning.
Yeah, I mean, our thing is we swept an external low and then we moved away from it. Like this low right here should be like it probably should come back to these gaps that we're currently at right now, but we want to see displacement higher from it. So ultimately, our draw is previous week high.
I think RTY is going to die here.
Yeah.
It's an SMT here.
Let me check ES. Yeah, no real liquidity sweep on ES at the highs
I
either.
think this is going to go here.
Well, for those premium discount traders, you're definitely getting your discount zone.
Yeah, we are fucking melting off of the face of the earth on NQ and ES.
I don't see any news. I use fast stop market news, so FSMN on Twitter. It's pretty good. It's pretty quick, but there's no news on it. It's just
Karen, do you like shorts right here on RTY stab?
Yeah, I like them. It's just stop loss price placement is a bit
It's
weird.
fucked. Like my risk to reward is kind of shit.
Yeah.
That candle is just so
Unless we
fucking
waited
big.
for this M5 to close in a minute 40 and short would be an M5 gap.
M5 gap.
Stop at the high of the 955 candle, then that would be be a bit better. So I don't know if we're gonna get it. See how this M5 closes.
5%. Like if we're down 5% in a day,
See what I mean?
yeah, I do.
I also
If we don't have this M5 gap, then I wouldn't take it.
Yeah, I don't know. It's also shorting you're shorting the strong pair too.
Yeah.
I think best case scenario,
Hourly.
we
Yeah, we might not even get this 5-minute gap.
Yeah.
Also, pay attention. I'm still watching the Dow Jones from this 15-minute gap too.
Basically, if it closes below, short, above it. If it closes inside of it or respecting it, you go long. I think. Dang, bro.
Wait, was I what? Was I called out degen? I was a degen at heart growing up.
I've seen some videos. Kind of funny, not gonna lie. I will never make it on social media, but they should. Or
You
maybe I
know?
might send them into like those random pages that post like some crazy home videos or something. You
Yeah,
know what
like
I mean?
ridiculousness.
Yeah, like something
Rob
stupid.
Dyrdek.
Hit me up. Nah, I'm good, bro. I'm not trying to get my ass. Matt will fly down here and beat my ass.
I think it'd be pretty funny.
They're hilarious, especially the one with your brother taking the phone.
Yeah. There is a lot of them out there, I'll tell you that.
All right, so
Okay.
we got an IFEG here, potentially. I think best case scenario for longs within the next 2 to 3 5-minute candles is if we get a closure above the 945 candle as well. Because like even if you take that, even if you wait for that candle closure above there, you still have a very good risk to reward back to those highs from this morning. So
I kind of want to take the Dow.
I mean Dow's pumping, right?
Like, I kind of want to, no?
Yeah, if we got an M5 inverse on the Dow, that wouldn't be bad.
Dang, we just keep
Then
dumping.
it gives us time to see how this M5 prints into the bearish gap.
Yeah, if we inverse that 5-minute gap, it's another SMT here.
What's ES be looking like? ES is still fairly strong. Like it just tapped the 4-hour gap. I think it's gonna try to test a lot of people's patience. Like usually when the draw is so clear and evident, it usually will do some stuff like this, make you completely flip your bias. But I need to see a closure above here. If we just keep dying, then no trade. Matt, was there a forever model set up on the shorts to the downside? I mean, I don't really
Uh,
know.
no.
Like, it just opened at 9:30 and died. Like, I mean,
Nothing that I see, dude. This thing just kind of fell off the cliff.
it's kind of like yesterday, just to the opposite side.
Yeah. RTY did create a 5-minute bearish gap, but it did retrace pretty hard high. That
Matt,
15-minute is like a barcode right now.
Matt, you still go to the sauna when you have a cold?
No. No. Definitely don't do that.
My wife told me to do it.
Is it good?
Yeah, she said it is, but you have to drink like double the amount of water though, because you can get dehydrated easily because you're not as hydrated because you've been sick and you probably don't want to drink water. But she said it's actually good for you because you sweat out the toxins in your body, and you're gonna have a lot more when you're sick. So, you low key talk like Patrick Bet David. Wow, I listen to his podcast. I don't think I do. That's crazy. I imitate him a lot though. That's such a good podcast, though. It's really where I get all my news from. You long the IFEG? I will. I think me, Matt, Kieran, we're all long it, but we need some very good displacement to the upside. Make sure you guys like the stream. A chance for us to do a giveaway here if we can catch some longs. Also, Matt will be live on his channel tomorrow. Make sure you like and subscribe to his channel as well. You low-key talk like Patrick Bet David. Now you're going to have me like imitating him all morning. Rob, pull up that clip. So, Always cussing out Rob.
I'm gonna watch this 5-minute gap here on YM. If we inverse this, I'm gonna take a long.
It's because I'm sick, KD. Yeah, take. Wait, what'd you say? I'm sorry.
If we inverse this 5-minute gap on
YM.
YM, I'm gonna go long.
Yeah. I have my alert set on the IFEG high on the ES. Because that's the stronger one. If we inverse that, I'll take on the ES. But YM is definitely the stronger one. Just passing my 50K count. Awesome, good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Is this Dylan Trades from Champs Discord? Because if it is, that's a throwback, bro. It's like 3 years ago. 4 years ago.
Need this.
Oh, awesome. Good stuff. Y'all trying to rage bait me with the comments. I'm not answering that, bro. I'm not answering that. I'm not getting myself in trouble here. We all know. Let's see what the 4 hour. How's your YM looking?
RTY is not showing willingness here. 15-minute barcoding. The last line of defense, honestly, for YM is this 15-minute bullish fair value gap.
Dude, I was hoping gold could take out all those relatively like low resistance liquidity below us and reach into like the London fair value gap and then go higher. It's just kind of doing upwards consolidation.
I took a little scalp last night just sitting on my couch while I was watching it was like Mike and Dave need wedding dates.
Oh, okay.
I took a long on Asia from like this 5-minute breaker with my stop at the low at 9:45. Barely took me out, and then I took it to Asia highs. I should have swung the bitch.
Yeah.
I was just testing out how Asia was, and it was pretty clean.
I feel like whenever there's a move on gold, it happens in either Asia or London. I'm not long on that fair value gap now. I'm waiting for it. ES and
Carrying
YM
that
are
5-minute
substantially
gap.
stronger.
Does anyone in here take that M5 gap on RTY that me and Matt were talking about?
Yeah.
Don't tell me you did.
No, I didn't. I haven't taken anything.
What you think?
I would have taken that gap on RTY if it wasn't so high up.
So, yeah.
I'm gonna also, guys. I'm taking away this idea just for now on RTY. Taking away that idea just for now. Or on YM. Sorry.
Is there anything that looks better than the Bitcoin daily chart? God, so clean.
Yeah, that was fire.
It is clean.
It's gonna equal lows too. It's gonna run. That's crazy. What's y'all's favorite accounts right now? Some pretty good sales going on at the moment. Like if we did a giveaway, which accounts would y'all like? Type in the chat. Dang, we just keep dying, bro. Like ES is barely inside the 4 hour gap, so I'm remaining hopeful here, but at the same time, it's like, bruh, like.
I mean, I'm looking at look at the daily chart on NQ and ES.
Yeah, that
This is
doesn't look
not.
good.
This is not going to be. This is not flipping. Like blatantly obvious. This is not going to flip bullish. The daily already set in a high. This is going to be an open high, low close.
Yeah, you're probably right.
And on top of that, if today was a continuation play, we would not be breaching more than 50% lower of the daily candle from yesterday.
Well, 50%. We're right around 50%, like right now. Like we gotta go higher from here. Like, and we have to do it quickly in order for me to go long. Can you recommend any firms for crypto? I think TradeWise is doing some. They got some wait list going on, but other than that,
They are.
The funded next accounts are pretty good too. Lucid, TradeWise, funded next. TradeWise is awesome. All of them really.
I'm still considering the Dow if we inverse this 5 minute. FYI.
Oh, Matt, did you watch his and hers yet?
No. I still have to do that. I just haven't had the
You
time.
watched Rips though, right?
Yes, that was a great
That
fucking
was a
movie.
great movie. Yeah. There's another one. It's called. It's an old movie. It's like with Alex Baldwin in it. I saw it last night. It's called Ghost in Mississippi or Ghost of Mississippi. It's pretty good. It's like filmed like the '90s with what's her name? That lady on The View. She's so annoying. Oh my god. Whoopi Goldberg. You know, like it was back when she wasn't, crashing out every day. I mean, 15 minutes for shorts. I just don't have a draw, right? For shorts. I really don't.
Karen, you like this 5 minute on YM?
Have a look.
It actually looks pretty good.
Nick, don't say anything.
Yeah,
I'm
not
watching
bad,
his
I'm
and hers
super
right
low.
now.
I mean, I like the drawn YM. Like, even if it does flip and go low, I'd want to take out the relative equal highs first to complete that hourly mark and make a buy model.
I'm gonna take this if we inverse.
It's 30% from the last payout cycle, not overall balance. Oh, Matt, what do you think of the 15-minute the M1 break on YM?
Yeah, so I'm literally watching it, but I'm watching the 5 minute. Like, I want this 5 minute gap that took us lower to sweep out the low from 10 o'clock for a resweep. I want this 5 minute bearish gap to get inverse, and that'll be my trigger to go long.
Yeah. I'm not watching YM, but I'm looking at his chart. So basically, he needs that inverse to get closed above. And the M5. Let's see here.
Depending on where it closes, if it closes, let's say if it closes below this like 5 minute candle high here, I'm just gonna mark it buy in. If it closes above, I'm gonna want it for a retag.
Yeah. YM, I mean, ES and wearing Q have not shown any willingness to go higher. I do have a feeling we're going to get like some crazy candle here in the next 20 minutes or so. That's kind of wild. Or it just consolidates. The worst thing that happens today is we just don't take a trade. If that happens. I don't trade YM. Matt looks at it, but
Let's see, got a little bit left.
I'll peep it though for y'all. YM. Actually, I'll put it up on this screen just so y'all can see what Matt's in right now. Potentially.
I don't know if I'm gonna get it. It's maybe. We got a minute and 20 seconds until this 5 minute candle closes. It has to inverse the gap. If it doesn't, then I'm not taking it.
He's mainly watching this right here. So, yeah. Gotta get inverse though. One second, I get it. 45 seconds. About the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio rule on Apex. Does this count when you try your stop loss? It's not 5-to-1. It's not like no. It's the opposite. It's negative 5-to-1. So like if I'm shooting for like a 1R trade here, this shouldn't be here. Like, you see what I mean? Yeah. Like since 0.20 is. Yeah. So like this is a 1-to-5, a negative 5-to-1 risk to reward. They don't want you doing this.
This is not inversing on YM. It's not ready. It's not ready.
Watch it do it right here.
Yeah, I know. Like, watch this fucking candle just explode. I need that. Oh, sweet baby Jesus.
Hopefully that answered your question on Apex. Did I watch Traders yet on Peacock? Oh, I haven't watched it. Is it pretty good? Who's in it? Traders. Who's in it? What's that about? Give me a little clip note. I want to see some good displacement here on NQ and ES back to the upside. Matt, what do you think about long in the ES over NQ? I know it's kind of like an unpopular.
Is it doing anything?
No,
if I'm going to be honest,
but like I like how the daily candle looks on ES compared to NQ. You know what I mean? I feel like it's gonna be a struggle bus on NQ to get higher. We'll see how it closes. We gotta get the closure first, so it's kind of pointless talking about it. But
yeah, I mean, I'm going to be honest with you. The only one that's going to give my attention today is the Dow Jones because of how it's just the stronger out of everything. And RTY is 15-minute barcode, but I have a reference from a 15-minute fair value gap, and we've held 930 low from the open of equities. I'm looking at this as a mere retracement for price to then give its willingness to go higher once the trigger is set and the confirmation is there.
When would you change your bias? I would probably change my bias if we inverse the 4-hour candle from yesterday at 6 a.m. Then it means we're probably targeting this low. As of right now, I think this low is protected. But like that's a problem for tomorrow. Like I'm not gonna be flip-flopping biases like in the stream here. Like you'll never see me do that. There may be times where we don't know where price is gonna go, and then it becomes more obvious. So we go from like a 60-40 long to like a like a 80-20 short. But
yeah, it's like when we're in that massive daily consolidation, like your bias would mainly be framed upon the first and 15 candle print most of the time. Because you couldn't really like target external range targets because we weren't trending, so you just had to go off like the intraday profile, with target session liquidity.
Yeah, 150 people watching.
When it's trending like this,
let's get the likes up here, so we can do these more often.
Like the stream.
Like the stream. Matt will be live on YouTube tomorrow around like 9:15. I'll be live in Discord. He'll be sharing his screen, and then Thursday, Friday back here. Hopefully we get government to open back up because we can do the Apex evals on Friday. 90% off until tomorrow night. 50K account for $19.
Come on, YM, do it.
A minute and a half.
Goes up. Just getting smacked.
Links in the description. Live trading and like access to us on there is paid, but like we do there's a free Discord for people to chat and stuff like that. Um,
Damn, this
dang,
bitch
this
really
is
don't want to
just
do anything, huh?
doesn't want to do anything. Like it's not even like giving up a short setup. That's the thing. Like the 15-minute didn't retrace into anything.
Yeah, the open does its aggression move, and then next thing you know, price consolidates and just fucks off.
Yeah, I will say. I mean, yeah, not looking good.
Bro,
Let me check the ES real quick.
5 minutes still didn't confirm the IFEG. I'm sitting right here. Sitting on my hands.
You take a trade yesterday, Matt? I forgot.
No. I tried to take a trade on RTY,
Oh,
but
that's
remember
right.
I got
Yeah,
edged by zero point 0.4 points, but then Kieran caught the longs right after me, which is fire.
yeah, 100%. Only the ones that like should be able to participate in giveaways, and subscribe. No, I turned that thing
Yo,
off for bots.
yo, Kieran, Jack is in the TikTok live.
Is he?
Yeah.
What's he
Bro,
saying?
I saw his
Is he
collab.
tattooing?
Yeah, Jack, I saw your collab with that one guy. I don't know, that big bull.
A-Star.
He looked like a UK mob boss, I can't lie. But bro, my next big piece, I want to hit you up and then come to your little studio.
Be fire.
Yeah, dude, that guy's fucking huge. Yeah, we're getting a pop on YM here. Damn.
Discord got a little present for y'all.
Yeah, bro, definitely on that on the next heavy piece, I for sure will hit you up and get something scheduled to get it done.
Line up, Matt.
I will.
What do you think of
Somewhere.
gold overall? It's a little choppy. You're gonna get that because if you look at the hourly chart right now, it's bouncing between a daily BISI and a daily SIBI. I would have liked something like this, and then some good displacement higher inside this hourly gap from London, but just hasn't given it yet. That's what I would
Bro,
watch
we're
if I were you.
so
Though.
close. Give me a good closure and let me go long.
By the way, if we hit a banger trade, Matt or me on
Yes.
YM, we'll do a giveaway for a YouTube stream. Just let me know.
Been
Drop the
waiting.
accounts, what y'all want in the chat. Sorry, Matt. Go ahead.
No, I'm just saying we've been waiting for so long. Like, let me get it.
I think you're gonna get it, bro. We got about 2 minutes. Watch it just
Yeah.
completely I'm not even gonna say it. You know,
It's either going to do one of two things. It's either going to explode without giving me an entry, or I'm going to get in and then I'm going to get a Drake candle. Drizzy pops me and then I'm fucked. But I'm prepared.
ES looks a lot better than NQ right now. I'm gonna watch NQ though, because I feel like everyone in here is watching that.
RTY is also doing the same thing too. Yeah, you're right. If you guys want to take the 3 minute too, you can. Do whatever you like.
I think the draw on YM looks way better.
I do too. If we close above the IFEG but below this 5 minute candle, I'll just mark it buy in.
So Matt's looking at this. We got another minute and a half. Stop below the lows, really, right?
Yeah.
Kind of weird. Stop
Got
loss.
1 minute.
You could put your stop like below that weird looking M5 breaker.
I
10
literally
o'clock
just put it below. I put it the 10 o'clock low. If I get it. Oh boy. we might not get it.
Wow. I mean, I guarantee you what's gonna happen is
Yeah.
you're not gonna get the candle closure here, and then the next one's gonna open with the flat body low and just run higher.
Fuck.
What's the 1 minute look like? I hate to even look, but oh, dude, this looks like a. This doesn't look good. I agree. MES is better. I'm just watching to see what happens in this next 5 minutes.
Dude, you're gay. You're gay as fuck.
Let's see here. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. I know what's gonna happen right now too. I just know. Oh, 150 people in here. Awesome. Good stuff, guys. We get candle closure here. Matt's gonna take a long on YM off the 5 minute IFEG. I'm looking at longs on ES and NQ, but it's just not giving it at the moment. Let's see.
I feel like I'm watching paint dry, bro.
So many wicks.
People don't have to like the stream to be participating in the giveaway, but you will have to be subscribed to the channel in order to participate. I know it does that. Do you know Day Trading Ralph? I don't know.
No, I don't.
Do you know that name, Matt?
I heard he smells like cheese.
Really? Dang, I don't know that. Why? Who's Day Trading Ralph? I know I'm about to get like 10 text messages right now. This is Boner probably.
Yeah, RT, I'm technically Ralph's British replacement.
YM, bro. It's such a freaking blue baller. I swear to God. I knew that shit was gonna happen. I'm gonna look at ES real quick because I have a feeling that's the stronger asset here. Actually, it still kind of looks like crap. I'm gonna watch YM with you, bro.
Yeah, dude. I mean, still possible.
3 more minutes. Do my back testing for NQ, ES, and YM. Once we reach 10:30 without the model presenting itself, turn off the charts. 100%. Matt, the gym calls him every day at 11:30, and oh, you said 10:30. I feel like 10:30 is a little early. I feel like 11:30, 11:15, 11:30 is like the best time. Anything past that is just sort of a gamble, unless you're trading the PM session. Average government shutdown trading day. Oh my God. I did promise myself whenever the government shut down, unless we have actual news, I'm not going to trade it. But yeah, here I am. Potentially. Pretty low risk until next week anyways. Relatively. You trade Matt Ralph's model? What's his model, by the way?
His time-based ranges.
Yeah. You guys need to see this. This is my time-based model. I like how he says model. Model. Let's see here. I know RT love that, bro. Oh my God. No candle closure on YM.
I'm not even gonna lie. I don't even like how it's chopping around and just doing fuck all. I don't even know if I'm gonna take this, even if it closes above.
Yeah.
It's like getting late too.
We've had
The longer it
It's been
takes
three
to
candles
make a
of
low
trade,
and then close
like,
above
above
that
it.
level you're watching, like the lower the probability, I feel
Dude,
like.
look at the 3 minute, bro. The 3 minute is barcoding. This looks like just accumulation for this price to most likely just fucking sweep out all this shit.
Yeah. I think that looks like crap.
Yeah. Yeah, this M5 is just feeling like an M5 swing as well. Like I'm so
Yeah,
uninterested
dude.
now.
This is I'm literally just I was so like ready to fire and then I just got like blue balled and just completely disgusted. I feel like I just got a catfish.
Well, at least we didn't lose money, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Time based
But it
range.
costed me my time.
Time based range. Yeah, isn't time based range the same thing as like kill zones though? Like I don't.
His time-based range is specific. It's a
Oh,
specific time
It's
window
like
throughout the
12
day.
past.
It's like 111 to like 212 or something like that.
111 to
Yeah,
212.
something like that.
I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea. All right.
Something like that.
I'll be right back in 5 minutes. I'm making sourdough bread. Be right back. BRB.
All right. We got Discord. Y'all got a couple of minutes left on that giveaway, and actually, it ends in a minute. We only got 15 people entered. What y'all doing? You gotta find it quick. Ends in. Let's do complete. All right, chat. Let me know on YouTube what giveaways y'all want. We can do like an Apex. We can do a Tradeify. We can do. I haven't started yet. Tradeify. I don't know why you guys are typing Nick. Yeah, hasn't done it yet. Let me know what accounts y'all want though. Type in the chat. Don't type Nick yet. Like it hasn't started. Like you guys are just kind of yeah. RT over here. Finex features. Let's do some Finex features. Let's do that. Finex features pretty solid. Let's do a rapid.
No way to Dylan win the 50 big account.
We'll do an 8-man timer for 10:45. We did try. Yeah. Should be good. All right. Like and sub to the channel. Chance to be entered, and obviously type in exclamation point Nick. Same for Discord. If you guys are in Discord, pop over to YouTube real quick.
Yeah, so they try again.
We'll be back here on Thursday, and then we'll be back on Matt's YouTube tomorrow, and then we'll be back here on my YouTube on Friday. So far, no trades to start the week. I'll put that right here. Y'all can call me an idiot or whatever. I don't really care that much. Quality over quantity. Some people say. But yeah. Wait, who just said F yeah? Oh, God. Every day is a trading day. Yeah. My ass, bro. My ass. Like, why would you even want to trade? Like, set the charts all day, every day. You know what I mean? Like, didn't you get into trading to get away from the desk? Right? Just stack more capital with less trades. Like, literally, do this right here. Funded, 20 Apex, Lucid, Tradeify, Firenex. Like, what do, do damage with that. Even if you just get payout 3 times a year, like, that's like 300 grand. Can't access it. It's in the link in my description. Free Discord. And if you click access here, you get access to premium. Oh, Toronto, you have no shot, bro. respectfully. I'm gonna laugh when you win though. D Hoodie, I can check on the back end here. Like you definitely. Yeah, I'm looking at your username right now. You're in here. That became my screensaver. What you just said. Facts. I have a good picture you can use of me if you want a screensaver, and you can just like type on it. You know. Actually, my Discord has a bunch of me. Is Man Better Know in here? He is not. He's got a lot of memes. Oh man. Mm. 150 people in here. Is only 50 of you guys want an account? What y'all doing, bro? That's not working. That's weird. Just go on my Instagram or Matt's Instagram. It should pop up. Or Matt's Discord. What's it say, if you don't mind me asking? If someone could DM me on Instagram showing the error message, that'd be really nice. Or you can DM me on Twitter. It don't matter. Or tag me on Twitter. Miami still has a chance. No, it does not.
Is the Discord not closed at the moment?
Yeah. I appreciate it, man.
Carl, this is chopped.
Just DM me on Instagram or Twitter. Yeah, send me a screenshot, please.
Dude, what is going on?
Nothing. Nothing at all, Matt.
Holy shit.
I feel like it's maybe setting up for a move tomorrow. Like tomorrow is really the last day of trade.
Tomorrow.
Honestly, I feel like if we would have had 10 a.m. news, it would have made this a lot better. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because it was red folder.
Fuck. Damn. Holy hell.
I mean, hit the gym early today. I did my YouTube video.
I have to stream for Blue Guardian at 11.
Oh yeah, I already had a 500-point move. Are you not entertained? I mean, yeah, I guess, but like my only problem with that was that's not what I was anticipating for the day. I was anticipating us to drop 500 points, 400 points. Like this is still inside the 4-hour gap. The problem is I wanted to see displacement on the higher time frames, to the higher time frame draw. We have equal highs in Q on the 4-hour chart. Like why am I shorting? I would never short that. Like even if
I wanted lower
closes,
before higher. That'd be great.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this away on the Dow Jones and just kind of. This thing has been barcoding for the past 45 minutes. Just let this thing go. Yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah, Blue Guardian Future is pretty solid. They just recently added TradeWise too. They have a couple of plans. I kind of like the direct plan with the Matt streams on there too. Straight to sim funded. Okay, giveaways end here in 45 seconds. So, like, sub to the channel, like the stream, and type in !Nick in the chat. It's only one entry. Also, remember, Apex 90% off ends tomorrow night. We'll be doing a MFP stream to pass some accounts Friday. They're $19 for 50K. Code Nick, code Sniper, and then CPI next week. We should still have CPI even if the government shut down, by the way. So either way, like, should be good there. And yeah, it's next Wednesday. Yeah. To no longer enter the raffle. All right, let's see who's gonna win here. D Howie, we got D Howie. I'll do one more. I'll do one more winner. Should we do one more winner? I told you didn't have a shot, Ochoater. You did not have a shot at all. We got Caprice and D Howie. DM me on Discord, Twitter, or Instagram. And if someone could DM me the Discord link error message, that'd be nice. You can. It shouldn't have a error message, but.
Yeah, I'm honestly for you guys here. Like, I'm gonna take a break for like the next 15 minutes until I go live on.
Yeah, I think I'm
on
on YouTube here
YouTube
too.
Guardian. But yeah, I'll drop the link when I go live. I'll be live from 11 to 12. If you guys want to pop in there, you can. I'll be seeing how price moves if we do anything. But that's gonna do it for me. If you call it the shorts, GG's. But be safe, y'all, and have a great rest of your morning. If you're off the charts.
Take it easy, man.
Take it easy, everyone. Catch you all tomorrow.
Deuces, y'all.
Okay, YouTube. Just kind of recap here. No trades on the week so far. We're looking for a full hour. First off, for the daily, we look at the daily highs. We have a lot of highs up here. Full hour relative equal highs. We're looking for price to reach for, and then we wanted to see price come down. I'm gonna take these off now. Come down to where it came down to, but we wanted to see displacement higher. And if we look at the 15-minute, there really wasn't an opportunity for a short. Like, I would have wanted like a high sweep or something. So I was watching these highs, and then the 5-minute chart, it never even gave an entry to the upside. So I'm just really going to be ending the stream. Like, just nothing here. Like, if you took a short, like Matt said, great. Pay attention to how we close in the next 3 hours on the 4-hour chart. Because if we inverse this 4-hour gap, 477 on NQ and 69.29 on ES, we're probably targeting this low, unfortunately. I want to see a bounce from here. I still feel really good about us getting a bounce. So it's probably just giving us a setup for tomorrow. The giveaway's over, guys. So I don't know why you guys are typing out, Nick. Yeah, Matt will be back on his YouTube tomorrow. I'll be back here on my YouTube Thursday, Friday. We'll start it Friday at 8:15 if we have news. If not, 9:15. So, yeah, no trades on the week, but hopefully we can catch something. But peace, everybody. I'll take it easy. Be safe.